Hello, Windows Universe. Are you having trouble right-clicking on the desktop in Windows? Well, in this video, we're going to look at some fixes you can try. Of course, we will link an article in the description that will give you a more in-depth look at these fixes. Start by checking the mouse. Plug it into a different system, or if you have a spare mouse, plug it in and see if you can right-click on the desktop. If it is a mouse problem, consider replacing it. If that is not the issue, we can move on to software fixes. Restart your File Explorer. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete. Select the Task Manager. Look for either the File Explorer or Windows Explorer, and select to restart it. After the Explorer restarts, try clicking on the desktop and see if you're able to right-click. If you have the group policy, we can look to the context menu settings. Open the group policy editor. Then go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, File Explorer. You're looking for Remove File Explorer's default context. Double-click on it. Make sure that it's set to Not Configured. Then click Apply and click OK. After that, restart your system and see if the problem has been resolved. We can also check the context menu in the registry editor. Now, since this involves changing registry values, it is a good idea to back up the registry, create a system restore, or both. Open the registry editor. Then navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Policies, if you don't have the subkey Explore, add it. Then in Explorer, you're looking for a D word, No View Context Menu. If there's not that D word, of course, you're going to have to create it. And make sure that it has a value of 0. Then click on OK, restart your system, and see if the problem is resolved. If you are on a laptop, you might be having trouble with one of the Touchpad drivers. We did a video on how to fix exactly that, and we will include a link to it in the description. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.